Today we are talking about a Supreme Court judgment that has two major takeaways for India's construction and environmental laws. 1. It confirms that State Environmental Impact Assessment Authority, that is SEIA, can approve certain projects. And 2. It cancels an exemption for large industrial and educational buildings. Now, let's understand why this matters. Namaste and welcome to my YouTube channel, Me Mansi. On 5th August 2025, the Supreme Court decided Vanashakti vs Union of India, a case challenging January 2025 notification from Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, that is MoEFCC. First issue, General Conditions and SEIA's role. The 2025 notification clarifies that the general conditions under EI Notification 2006, such as mandatory environmental clearances for projects near eco-sensitive zones, do not apply to building construction projects and townships under Category 8A and 8B. The court found this was always the case under original EI Notification 2006. Whenever general conditions were meant to apply, they were particularly mentioned. It also agreed that SEIA, a statutory body of experts, is well equipped to handle state-level approvals, and routing such projects to MoEFCC would cause delays. Second issue, exemption for certain projects. However, this notification also gave an exemption to industrial sheds, schools, colleges from prior environmental clearance if about 20,000 square meters. The court struck this down as arbitrary. Why? Because large-scale construction, whether it's a factory, a university or housing, affects the environment. The court noted that education has also become a commercial activity and must follow the safeguards as others. The outcome: SEIA's authority for Category 8A and 8B projects upheld.
Exemption for large industrial and educational buildings quashed.
Clarification that the notification also applies to Kerala upheld. The court affirmed the principle of sustainable development. Balancing growth with environmental protection and ensuring all large projects must get equal scrutiny. This ruling speeds up the approvals of many projects but also closes the loopholes that could have bypassed environmental safeguards. A clear message: development is welcome, but environment can't be left behind. Like, share and subscribe for more simple explanations of complex judgments.